Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today, me and my group would like to talk about the dangers of mocking others without their predicament. But before we start, I would like to share a short story with you. Bismillah. As I reflect on my journey so far, I am filled with profound gratitude. Each step, each challenge, and every person I have met has woven a beautiful tapestry of growth and blessings into my life. From the moments of solitude to the time surrounded by loved ones, the lessons learned, the guidance received, and the opportunities to make a difference. My heart is full, knowing that each day is a chance for me to grow closer to my purpose. May I continue to walk this path with humility, faith, and a thankful heart. Now we will begin.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today, we'd like to talk about something important, how we treat others, especially when someone is struggling or has a problem. Ahmad, do you think it's okay to make fun of someone because of their difficulties?
No, teacher, I think it is wrong, but sometimes people still do it.
That's true, Ahmad. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala warned us in the Holy Quran not to mock others or make fun of others. In Surah Al-Hujurat, Allah says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la yaskhuru qawmun min qawmin asa an yakunu khayran minhum. Let not a people ridicule other people, perhaps they may be better than them. In Quran 49 verse 11, it teaches us that only Allah knows who is truly better, and we should avoid judging or mocking others.
I've heard about this, but what if people think it is just a harmless fun?
That's a good question, Fatima. You can think it's just a harmless fun, but it can still hurt someone deeply. The Holy Prophet Muhammad he warned us, he said, it is enough evil for a Muslim to look down upon his Muslim brother. Mocking others may harm our own hearts and may turn Allah's blessings away from us.
So we should always be kind and never make fun of anyone, right?
Exactly, Ahmad. Remember that everyone has their own challenges. If we show kindness and respect, we will bring people more closer to us and to Allah. Think about it if you are the one being mocked.
Thank you, teacher. I will try to remind my friend about this if I see anyone being mocked.
Down, Fatima. Let's be a good example of kindness. Allah loves those who are gentle and respectful.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The key lesson of today's topic is that we should respect one another. We should also remember that everyone has their own difficulties and struggles that they're going through personally. Instead of us putting each other down, we should lift one another up. This way, we bring blessings to ourselves and we please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.